Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. As a plant mama, I love my plants to be dressed up in style. What about you? I love to showcase my window with this beautiful set by Tonsin. I really enjoyed the soft color and texture in this flower design. And after a year of growth, I was excited to replant my plants into their beautiful new pots. Don't they look beautiful? I displayed them on my buffet in my living room, but I personally like to have them in my sunroom where I can talk to them and admire their growth, from little ones to big ones. And I appreciate the little saucer that helps to keep things neat when I water my plants. And I think when you get something that's packaged so well, you really appreciate it. And this would be a great gift for someone who loves plants. I love them. So level up your plants with beautiful ceramic pots by Tonsin. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.